Whether you went to Coachella or not, I just found the coolest app to give yourself a festival look. The GlowUp app came out with 12 new Coachella looks and they are amazing. I could never achieve this in real life. I'm going to show you guys how to do all of these edits. All you have to do is open the GlowUp app and click the Coachella tab, and it's going to pull you up to all the new filters. I'm trying some out as we speak. They look so cute. Once you select the photo you know you want to edit, you can choose your favorite look. Mine happens to be bejeweled. From there, you can retouch the photo, so remove any blemishes you want. I love this feature. And then you can also lower or raise the makeup to change the intensity of the look. I love an intense look. And you can actually edit your face a little bit too if you'd like. Make it a little slimmer, a little wider, whatever you want. And then from there, they're going to allow you to use the pinpoint feature and the eraser. As you can see, I'm just erasing a little bit of excess glitter that got on my nose and shadowed by my brow. And then the pinpoint feature can be used to adjust where things fall, but they did a perfect job of lining it up. Look at how insane the before and after is. I could never achieve these looks on my own, so it's super fun to play around with this app. Giving you a close-up look. Look at all of the detailing. Go download the GlowUp app right now and let me know what Coachella looks are your favorite.